Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how you can after designing you can export your designs. Okay, first of all click on so I have this frame here. I have this design here. So I'm going to click on this one. Once this is selected, when you scroll down here in the design panel, so you see here that uh, you know uh, the export option here. Okay, so here you can see that 1x it's written, so the more you increase it, the more good quality the image will be. Okay, for example, I'll click on this 2x for now. Okay, now you have this option also, like png, you want it in the form of png, jpg, svg or pdf. Okay, so let it be in png format. Okay, then I have also this preview option. So in the preview option, what you can do is you can see how the image would look. Okay. So this is the preview option here. Now after you have seen, okay, like this is how your image going to look. So you are going to click on this export gallery. Okay. Since the name of the frame is gallery, so here it is named as gallery. So you can rename it as maybe you know uh, frame 1 for example. So I'm going to save it here. Okay, so this is how you have you'll save your designs in this one, in this way. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much.